This winning product made me $80,000 in a month at 14. Alright, big reveal, here the product is the teeth whitening pen. Also, if you don't believe me, just go ahead and watch this video I made 3 years ago documenting the exact store, but let me summarize it to you real quick. So 3 years ago, the Instagram Explore page algorithm was absolutely broken. And of course, I took advantage of it. Basically, what was happening at the time was any video that had a high click-through rate was basically hitting the Explore page and getting hundreds of thousands of views regardless of how small the account was. And basically what that allowed me to do is work with loads of small accounts like this that only had 10 or 15,000 followers, pay them $5 or $10 for a feed post, but the ad, if it hit the Explore page, would get 300, 400,000 views just like that. And hitting the Explore page really wasn't hard. All we needed to do was have a high click-through rate on our ad. So that's the question. How did we get high click-through rates on our ad? Now, this part of the video is a bit disturbing, but heads up, here's a little trick that we use to reach the Explore page. Basically, what you just saw there was some of the thumbnails that we use on our ads just to help them go viral and hit the Explore page. We would play 0.1 seconds of those really weird, disturbing videos right at the beginning of our ads just to spark attention and get the click-through, and then we would play the rest of our ad. And this led to millions and millions of people clicking on these really weird thumbnails and some of them still creep me out today, just to check out, what was going on. And then they would see our ad come up and some of them would still watch it anyway and convert at the end. So really, clickbait does work. And of course, as soon as I realized that this hack actually works, I went ahead and contacted as many small influencers as I could find, paid them $5, $10, $15 each, and I rinsed and repeated this strategy as many times as possible. At our peak, we were doing over 100 feed post promotions every single day, which is quite a few. So this strategy worked like crazy for a couple months and I ran it up as much as I could. And I believe it was March 2019 when we hit that 80K a month revenue number. It was really high profit margins, nearly 50% net profit. And that's when we decided to go ahead and private label the product, which I'll talk about in another video. So if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll drop a part 2 explaining how we ramped the store up, drop the actual teeth whitening LED kit, and exactly what we did with this store.